Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong math problem coming from the latest 23rd IIE National Math Wizard which was held a while ago at SMX mga Lodi Cakes. And thank you so much dun sa lahat ng mga Lodi Cakes nating na na-meet ni Sir IJ. And shoutout din pala kala Andrian Carlo Antita from Letran Calamba and Jeffrey from Quezon na follower natin sa TikTok. And maraming salamat sa inyo mga idol sa patuloy na support sa channel natin. I believe this problem was good for 45 seconds or kung hindi wala lang yung time limit niya or less than 1 minute. How many positive integers x satisfy the inequality below? X minus 1 times x minus 3 times x minus 5 multiply up until x minus 97 such that this expression is less than 0. So siguro sa sa una nating at our first glance most likely parang mukha siyang mahirap. Pero if we notice, ang hinahanap lang naman natin is ilang positive integers yung magsasatisfy. So una muna nating i-determine guys is ilang terms po ba yung nandito sa left side natin of the inequality. So parang terms natin is from 1, 3, 5 up until 97. So kapag kinuha natin yung number of terms niyan, obviously that is an arithmetic sequence. Minus nyo lang si last term minus the first term divided by the common difference plus 1. So this is equivalent to 49. So we have 49 terms on the left side of the equation. So ito gagawin natin. So the next key step here is to determine the roots of the left side of the inequality. Okay, so inequality to guys, 'di ba? Paano yung sinasabi kong roots? Ibig sabihin parang equate muna natin siya sa 0. Huwag muna natin i-consider yung less than. So kung mapapansin natin na magiging roots nito are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 up until 97. So how do we now determine, Sir IJ, the number of positive integers x that satisfy? So syempre, ang gagawin natin, meron tayong 1, meron tayong 3. Dahil less than 0 yan, ang ite-testing natin are the values in between the roots of the left side. Kumbaga, inassume natin na equal 0 siya. So kunyari, i-assume natin that x is equal to 2. So if we assume that x is equal to 2 guys, so ano mangyari dyan, Sir IJ? The 2 minus 1 here becomes positive. Okay, this is now positive. The 2 minus 3 is negative. Negative up until the 49. So meron tayong positive, meron tayong negative na 48. Kasi di ba 49 siya lahat, yung isa positive. So yung natitrang 48 will be negative. So parang itong negative, 48 times siya. Kumbaga mag-multiply ka ng negative numbers, 48 na negative numbers. So, alam naman natin na ang product ng dalawang negative number is positive. And the product of 3 negative numbers is negative. Kapag 4, positive. So, ibig sabihin pala, Sir IJ, so 48 times na to nangyari, guys. So, negative times negative, tas 48 times, that's positive times positive. So, that's positive. That means na yung 2 will not satisfy kasi ang nakalagay dito must be less than 0. Okay? Less than 0, itong 2 magiging positive siya. How about between 3 and 5? So what if 4? X is equal to 4? So ano na mangyari, Sir IJ? Yung 4 minus 1 and 4 minus 3 are both positive. So positive, positive. Dalawa na yung nagamit. 49 lahat ng terms natin. 49 minus 2 terms will give us with 47 remaining terms. So ibig sabihin 47 na negative yan. So 47 times yan mga Lodi Cakes na mangyayari. 'Di ba? So, kung 47 lahat ng negative natin, dahil add siya negative. Negative times positive will become negative. So, ibig sabihin 4 will satisfy. Ito is not. And then, we will test again x equals 6. So, makikita nyo kapag 6 siya, ito tatlo na to positive. Tapos yung matitrang 46, puro negative. Kaya lang dahil even yung bilang nun, negative man sila, magiging positive pa rin. So, it won't satisfy. So, yun na, magiging pattern na siya. So, next natin will be 8. So, parang multiples lang siya ng 4 starting with 4. So, ang mga possible values are 4, 8 hanggang, di ba 97 to, tas 95. Between 95 and 97 is 96. Ganun lang siya. So, the number of terms that will satisfy is just 96 minus 4 all over 4 plus 1. That is equal to 24. Okay, bilangan nyo na lang kasi parang multiples of 4 lang naman. 96 divided by 4, 24. Ganun lang siya kadali i-solve. Mukha lang siyang mahirap pero napakadali lang yan. If may questions, clarifications, huwag po kayo mahiya mag-comment sa comment section. Thank you so much talaga dun sa mga na-meet natin kanina and sana mag-meet pa tayo sa mga future events, especially for EE and ECE dun sa mga Lodi Cakes natin. And good luck din pala dun sa mga kasali sa raffle ng cars calculator this coming Friday, and kita-kits tayo sa live ni Sir IJ. Thank you so much to those who keep on supporting our channel. God bless you always, and bye-bye!